Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make the icons in the dock bigger. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So this is the icon in your dock, right? And in order to make it bigger, what you would do is you would go to Apple icon at the top left, click on System Settings, and then it should pop up this window. You need to click on Desktop and Dock, and then click on magnification, and then you can adjust this to how big you want. So as you can see, my dock icon get bigger, or you can do very large and it get very big. Or if you don't want it, you can also turn it off so that it would go back to the original place. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.